Good day all. Welcome to Bridge LCS. In this video, let's discuss about the steps involved in the creation of supplier invoice. You can find the invoice drop-down along with each and every row available. Click on the drop-down and select supplier invoice. Click on new invoice. Since each job has multiple suppliers, you need to select the name of the supplier here. Choose the list of services opted from the selected supplier. Select the type of invoice based upon the agreement made with the customer. Fill the invoice number, date, exchange rate, posting date, gross amount, etc. Here you can find include tax option. This will be in enabled mode by default. You can disable this if tax is not required. Select the description, unit, quantity, price and tax. Make sure the remaining amount is 0 here. If the same supplier is doing multiple services, you can use this plus button to add multiple services. Click on Save to capture the required data. If we talk about the advanced features, the unapproved invoices are indicated in red color and the approved invoices are in green color. You can approve the invoices one by one by right-clicking on the required row, or if you want to approve the invoices in bulk, you can use this bulk approve option given. Select the required invoices to be approved and click on bulk approve. By doing this, you can approve multiple invoices in a single step. This table has list of supplier invoices with the invoice amount, tax and balance to be paid. You can differentiate the paid and unpaid entries using the symbol given here. If this symbol is in green color, then the invoice is paid, and if it is in red color, it is not paid. You can also refer the status of the payment here. In order to convert the status from unpaid to paid, you need to create the payment voucher and approve the same from finance module. The creation and approval of vouchers will be explained in a separate video in detail. If you have selected the type of supplier invoice as preliminary while creating the invoice, the same can be identified here. You can see the row number starts with PSI, whereas the regular supplier invoice starts with SI. You can convert this to original invoice by right-clicking and selecting the Convert Original option. Here you can see the name of the customer, the job number, total number of invoices involved and total amount. This is all about this video. I hope you would have found this useful. The creation of cost sheet and final invoice will be explained in a separate video in detail. Thank you for watching.